Now, what is Merch by Amazon? Now, Merch by Amazon is the biggest, and I repeat, the biggest print-on-demand platform on planet Earth. It is the craziest platform that each and every print-on-demand seller wishes to be there. Unfortunately, they deny entry to 70% of the people who apply to go there. Yes, it's like a school. You have to apply. Imagine there's an application. You have to write and apply and say, this Amazon, please, I beg you, accept me. And then they deny. Of course, I've been denied. That's why I'm really bitter about them. But still, I love them. Established in 2015, Amazon, Merch by Amazon. It's a fairly new website. Started after platforms like Printful and Printify were kicking ass in this print-on-demand space, making a lot of money. Amazon said, no, we have to do this by ourselves, because Amazon actually allows people to connect the other providers like Printify, Printful on their platforms through FBM. There's a wing called FBM that is fulfilled by merchant. The merchant here is Printify, Printful, and you. If you have your own products, you can fulfill. So that is it. And that is actually the closest I would come in terms of getting the annual revenue for Merch by Amazon, because it's fairly new. Amazon are keeping all the revenue under wraps a lot. So the closest I would come to comparing Merch by Amazon would be FBM. So the revenue numbers here are not for Merch by Amazon, but they're for FBM. In terms of monthly visitors, Amazon receives 2.2 billion, at least, monthly users. So imagine your t-shirt designs and funny stuff and just your print-on-demand products being exposed to 2.2 billion monthly users. Goodness gracious me. About the royalties, you can earn at least 13% on the platform. That's the least you can earn. So when they have special offers and all that stuff, normal rates, if normal times, if your t-shirt you're selling, let's say you're selling a t-shirt at around $25, normal standard day, no special offers or anything, you'll be earning around $9. When you have a special offer, you're selling the t-shirts at around $15, $15.99, you'll be earning $1.93. So that's one thing to know. In terms of the product range in Merch by Amazon, this is merch, just merch in itself. They focus on apparels. That's one of the biggest challenges here. They're only focusing on t-shirts, hoodies, and apparels. They're not focusing on other products. And I know maybe very soon Amazon would open the space up for all these things. I know most Amazon, most definitely. Anything that needs to be sold, Amazon wants to sell. And anything that can be sold, Amazon is there to sell it. That's why they opened this wing for merch. It's a special department, a special business angle just focused on merch, nothing else. Merch by Amazon. So in terms of the target audience, they're targeting Amazon shoppers with a broad demographic. This basically targeting anyone and everyone, the 2 billion monthly users they have. It is their website. It is their internal traffic, for lack of a better word. So they market internally. They're looking within. They do not bother to go out and look for Google ads, Meta ads, or whatever. They get a lot of traffic. It's insane. The amount of traffic Amazon actually gets. Just speaking about the traffic brings us to the pros. One of the best things about Amazon is that they have a huge reach. So for you to make sales, it's really easy for you to make sales. Another thing, they have brand recognition. This is an older brand. I'm talking about Amazon, the brand in itself, not the March angle. This Amazon March is 2015. Amazon, the brand itself, is old. Everyone knows Amazon. In terms of fulfillment, they do handle the fulfillment in terms of the printing, the shipping, the returns, the delivery, the customer care, every other thing. They handle all that. So the only thing you were taking, rather bringing on Amazon, are your designs. That's the only thing you handle, making sure that you actually follow the trademark rules, copyright rules, and all that stuff. Amazon are extremely, and I repeat, extremely strict with their copyright and trademark laws. Extremely. So do not even think you would come on Amazon and rip people off. You need to become an A-list, like an A++ list print-on-demand seller for you to get there. And a lot of people who actually get into Amazon are people who've stayed years working on Redbubble and TeePublic. You understand this game, and then you get on Merch by Amazon so that you don't screw up. Because once Amazon bans you, you are done. It's hard to get back. I mean, the legal ways. And yeah, that's the way I want us to run this business. The legal way, the right way. So another thing, moving on to the cons of merch by Amazon, it's big, it's amazing, but it also has its own challenges. Number one, the account approval process. As I said, I myself, I think I've applied more than 5 times. I lost hope. I don't know. I might. I don't think I'll apply. I don't know. I think I lost hope. I don't know. I might get bored. I don't know. In future, I might get bored and decide to venture and open up an Amazon March account. Would be amazing though. But yeah, where I am, I don't think I would open one. I'd rather open even a Shopify store and control everything where I am. Yeah. Another thing, strict design guidelines. That's the other thing. Amazon delete designs each and every day. My goodness gracious. Ha! You would be shocked. It's an amazing platform. It's a big platform. Having so much traffic means so much sales. Meaning, anything that you would upload, you wouldn't even know if someone has already trademarked. You're there designing and uploading, then someone sees you're selling a lot. They go and trademark this design. They come on Amazon, upload the same design, your design, and submit to Amazon the registration certificate for trademark. Amazon would not even bat an eyelid. They would not even blink. Amazon would delete your account, It's crazy. It's crazy. There's a problem of setting up a business on Amazon. Yeah, crazy. Another thing, lower profit margins. I'm talking about you working so hard and only earning $1.93 for your t-shirt and all that. It's depressing. It's really depressing. And apparels as a business generally are depressing. If you're getting into print on demand and only focusing on t-shirts and apparels, you will get depressed. So focus on other things. So those are some of the challenges of print on demand, of Amazon. I hope you've gained something. Those are the key takeaways of Amazon. I thought it prudent enough to have a quick takeaway video for you to understand what Amazon March is. If you've gained any knowledge, if you have any comments, please tell me in the comment section below. Tell me. And if you are new to print on demand, want to understand this whole game, want to get into this space, you're really excited, you're doing a lot of research and you want to know what is happening, so do not worry. I have a full-on class. I have a step-by-step guide that you actually watch over my shoulder as I guide you through this. Watch out, scan this code. Waiting for you in the class right now. It's actually live, yeah, like right now. Thank you very much for joining. My good name is XT Ndela, your favorite print on demand coach. Thank you for the privilege of your time. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you on the next one.